Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado door panel. First, ensure you have a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by locating and removing all visible screws around the door panel, including those in the armrest and door handle bezel. Next, gently pry up the window switch panel using your trim tool and disconnect the electrical connectors underneath. This prepares the panel for further detachment. After the window switch, focus on the door handle. Carefully remove the bezel surrounding the interior door handle, often revealing additional screws. Once these are out, you'll need to disconnect the door lock and handle rods from the handle assembly. These usually have small plastic clips that pivot open. Take your time to avoid bending or breaking the rods. Always double-check for any hidden fasteners or clips. With all screws and rods disconnected, it's time to release the main panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the plastic clips pop free. Work your way around the perimeter until all clips are disengaged. Once loose, lift the entire panel straight up to clear the window channel, then disconnect any final electrical connections. To reinstall, reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical components and door rods. Align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel, ensuring it seats correctly. Then, firmly push the panel back onto the door frame, making sure all clips engage properly. Reinsert all screws and snap the bezels back into place. Remember to check the description for links to tools and other great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.